Trying not to show all around in the truck here. Got some goodies and interior stuff in the works.
What is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely awesome today. Guys, first off, I want to say a huge thank you to everybody who placed orders last night. I did not think that the belt buckles were going to sell as good as they did, but you guys bought a pile of those things. I'm talking a pile. And so I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody who went over and bought stuff last night. You guys are entered into the giveaway for 2 people to be drawn to possibly, win anything that they want from McTuning. As long as it's one product, unless it's a wiring harness, of course, then you get a harness and a light bar of your choice. So thank you guys so much. Hopefully you guys really enjoy your products once you guys get them. Very excited about the way things went last night with the orders. So thank you guys so much. Also, we had another meeting, okay? And I know you guys, there's a guy down in the comments yesterday and he's like, all I want to hear is something other than talking about your meetings and how you're working. Okay, I get it. Like, you guys want to hear that, but I'm trying to keep you guys in the loop as much as I can to kind of let you know what's happening, what stages we're in, what's coming up. And this is for the people, if you want to watch these videos, watch them. But if you're somebody who feels like you're getting tired of watching them, if it's not for you, it's not for you. I'm just trying to let the people know that want to see what's going on every single day. I'm filling them in with what's going on every single day. So if you want to be a part of that, hit the subscribe button. Be part of some great things coming up here, but if you don't, then you can go on your way. You know what I mean? YouTube is a platform where you can watch whatever content you want, and you can not watch content that you don't want to watch. So anyways, guys, that meeting did go pretty good, I feel. I'm very excited. I'm not going to give you the names of the company or anything else right now, but let's just say I've been emailing companies like crazy. And there was one that I emailed, the very first one that I ever emailed. Like I said, I'm not going to tell you which one it is yet. You'll know very soon. But I had originally emailed them and they're like, we'd like to work with you. However, we're really skeptical. We've worked with other YouTubers before and yada. Like, it's just, whatever. We're just kind of concerned because we've sent out products to people before and they told us they were going to get certain results and they didn't get any of those results. So, like, it's just kind of hard for us to, confirm that we can do something like this, not knowing what the return's going to be. Anyways, all that aside, basically 5 minutes into the conversation, I was confirmed that this is probably going to work out and I'm the guy that they're looking for to work with them. So I was so excited. He's like, literally last night we had a meeting and I was like, we have to find somebody that can help us out and market us, that wants to market us and wants to market our brand, because we want somebody that loves our products, just as much as we do. And so funny thing is, this is a brand, this is a company, me and my dad legit both on our Macs have carts stacked top to bottom with stuff from them that we were going to order, and we're like, man, I would just love to try to talk with them more before we spend all this money. And so I got a phone call. I sent him an email and I was like, listen, I need to know right now. People want to see videos, they want to see mods on my trucks. I need to know ASAP. That's just honest, like, I'm not trying to sound like a jerk, but like that's just how it works. If you're not moving forward, you're moving backwards. So just kind of said it like that, and they're like, we want a phone call today. And so got on a call and basically, yes, we'll work with you. So it sounds pretty good. They kind of talked to us a little bit more in detail than what I'm going to share here, but let's just say I'm so hyped and I cannot wait to reveal this company to you guys. We've gone through the website so many times and we're just like, you just can't beat the prices. You can't beat the layout of the website. Everything's so user-friendly. I'm like, it's so easy to just add so much to your car. They have everything that we need. And apparently they specialize in 12 and 24 valve Cummins. And they of course do Powerstroke and Duramax stuff too, but they specialize in Cummins. And I was like, this is my website. And it's just incredible that it looks like we are closing a deal with them. So that is absolutely awesome. And that means more mods for you guys, okay? Some of you guys act like I didn't want mods on my truck and I'm just blowing smoke and I'm not gonna get stuff, blowing smoke. I'm just blowing smoke and I'm not gonna get stuff done. But guys, you have no idea how much I've been working to try to make this happen behind the scenes, because every time I read one of those comments, oh, you're not actually gonna do mods, I'm just like, I'm just thinking in the back of my mind, just watch me, bro. It's gonna happen. You know what I mean? Like, I don't really care what you say. Like, it's gonna happen. It's just, there's a lot more that goes into it than just, oh, today I'm gonna decide I wanna do mods and then I'm just gonna spend a bunch of money on mods. There's a lot more that goes into it when you're a channel like this, because if you just blow money like you're not even thinking, you will lose so much so fast, and you're gonna get so much less done if you don't do it in a smart manner to where you can get more done with the time, with the finances, with the energy that you have, versus if you just not being smart and you're just blowing cash like it's nothing, and next thing you know, you're out of money, you're out of content, and your channel goes down the drain. I was trying to do what might seem a little bit slow right now, but it's gonna be far better for the channel the rest of the year. I'd rather take the month of January when, to be quite truthful, AdSense sucks, and I'd rather be grinding, doing other stuff, trying to make sure that from this point on, the rest of the year is gonna be outstanding versus blowing all my money in January and then not having any more mods for the next 3 months, you know, again. So I hope a lot of you guys see what I was trying to do there. It's about to pay off huge. So hopefully you guys will understand that. So let's talk about something else on my truck. Here's the old dually. The PAP cap is still on the truck, of course. And I've had a lot of people ask, you know, like, when are you gonna take it off? Is the PAP cap gonna be gone anytime soon? And knowing that it is, you know, 55 and sunny outside right now, PAP cap's probably gonna stay on a little bit longer. But I'll tell you one thing that might convince me to get it off. A stack, okay? Now I'm not gonna, okay, you know, shoot, I'm just gonna, cat's out of the bag. I'll tell you what I'm planning on doing. I'm not even gonna hold it back. But what I want to do is put dual cat back style SoFlo stacks on my truck. And just to show you kind of like what I'm talking about, I'm talking like the two 7-inch side-by-sides that come up and they have like the 45 that kind of shoot away from the cab like so. So your soot and water, and you get condensation in your drain and everything else, it's not just gonna shoot up and blow on your, you know, cab, whatever. I mean, there's still gonna be soot on the cab a little bit here and there, you know, you can't stop that. But basically it's gonna shoot that smoke when you're driving down the road up that way versus straight up like so. Which is gonna help a little bit, but obviously it's still gonna you're still gonna probably smoke in the tailgate and whatever. And I'm not gonna chop up my exhaust. Some guys are like, dude, don't get a stack. If you haven't had me on my Snapchat, add me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram. I post this on my Snapchat, and some guys were like, well, dude, why would you do that? Then you're gonna cut up your new exhaust that you just got, and what if you don't like it when you go to back? What if you wanna go back? Guys, I'm not gonna butcher this exhaust system at all. If you look under the truck here, basically what I've got is a clamp right there, which, look, that's right here, you know, where the bed starts. Well, all I'm gonna do is take off that clamp there, undo my hangers, and take the exhaust system off. That's all I'm gonna do. And then basically I'm just gonna get flexi pipe and attach it there and attach it up to where my stack's gonna go. And then that's where it's gonna be. If I decide, you know, 2-3 months in, I'm like, okay, this sucks, I don't want this stupid stack on here anymore, then what I'm gonna do is going to, you know, obviously undo the flexi pipe, take off the stack, and just put my exhaust, bolt it back up. That's all I'm gonna do. It's not that hard to do, and to be honest, I just wanna try it out. I think it'd be cool, I think it'd be fun, at least for a little while. And I'm not worried about the whole hole in your bed type of deal. Oh my goodness, you just ruined your bed. If you're worried about a 4-inch hole in your bed, just cut like a 6-inch by 6-inch square piece of steel, set it over there, have somebody weld around it. There you go, no more hole in your bed. Just bed liner coat over top of it, and you're fine. It's not hard to fix. Those guys act like it's a pain in the butt, and oh no, there's a hole, but it's really not that big of a deal. That's what I got right now. Thinking about doing a stack, a SoFlo, and we also should have a deal closed with the company here, and they should be emailing me back with a lot more information on just what all they can help me out with here by Monday. So hopefully within, you know, not too long from now, we can have a lot of stuff really rolling here for the channel and get that horsepower content that you guys have been dying to see. And trust me, I've been dying to see it myself. It's going to be weird going from not doing like any mods to actually doing mods after like 2 months of pretty much no horsepower mods, other than we did the delete on the 6.7, you know, we did some intake stuff and, you know, crap like that, but not like horsepower mods, you know what I mean? Mostly like efficiency upgrades, but not, you know, horsepower mods and increases and add-ons. So it's gonna be flippin' sweet, and I am so excited for it, and I hope you guys are too. This little drive is for all those guys
that say they just want to see a drive in the manual shifting through gears, so they can hear that. You can hear that Cummins roar when they're shifting through gears. Well, everybody that wanted to see that little ride along in the manual, that is your little view at the shifter in the clutch pedal area to watch me shifting through some gears. I had some guys saying, dude, just make a video where you do a lot of shifting through gears. I don't know why, they just, some people like that. Some people just like that essence of the truck, and yeah, they just like that about it. So that's what I did today. Okay, that's what I did with some of that. We do have some service stuff coming up on the KingRanch. We've got some stuff up on that, guys. That is probably going to put a wrap on this video. But guys, like I said, the merch sales right now, you guys are killing it. Thank you guys so much. It is, like I had said yesterday, it's not even really about the merch. It's not even really about, you know, how cool my hoodies are, which these are actually all sold out, by the way. Belt buckles are on unlimited supply right now. Thank you guys so much for all the sales. I will then draw 2 people who can pick one of whatever item they want from Mick Tuning, and I will purchase that and send it right out to them. So you guys can do LED headlight bulbs, little small light bars, big light bar, shoot, they have little portable jump starters and stuff like my other one. I mean, they got rock lights, all kinds of stuff. So if you guys are into that kind of stuff as well, and this isn't even about the giveaway as well. Like I said, you know, the merch isn't even really about the giveaways. It's not even really about the merch itself. It's really just like a small short-term fundraiser for the channel. That's how I do them every couple weeks. You know, because like YouTube's great, but you know, whatever, you can't in small stages rely on YouTube as your source of income. So I try to do that kind of stuff, affiliate marketing, stuff like that. A couple other small things behind the scenes to really keep things moving forward. And guys, like I said, we do have a deal with a company, and hopefully we can get some stuff finalized and get some mods coming in here very soon now. So now that that is finally kind of out of the way of in search of a brand, in search of a company that's willing to work with us, we finally got somebody nailed down to work with. So that is definitely some good news, and stuff's going to be happening here now. So stay tuned, guys. Got a lot of stuff coming. Actually, Dad was saying how we're going to schedule to get the flatbed done on the red truck, the nasty red here, very soon, and also just some other stuff, guys. I'll get to that when that comes around, but you know, stuff's getting ready to happen. Dad's getting pretty anxious to get some stuff done on these trucks, and so we're gonna start to get some stuff shipped in here, and hopefully we can finally get these mods going like you guys have been wanting and I have been wanting to. You just gotta search out that right deal so you don't jump the gun and do stupid stuff with your money and screw the channel over and stuff like that. So we're trying to do it in the way that makes sense. That might be a little bit slow now, like I said, you know, previously, but it's going to be far better for the coming months, and you guys are going to definitely see that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to get that merch link in description. I'll leave a link at the top of the comments section. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop some comments down below, subscribe if you are new, join the team, join the family. By the way, this is just a small short-term giveaway. Guys, if you're stopping in new, I'm planning to give away a flippin' 12-valve Cummins this summer. So if you guys are interested in trucks like that or trucks like that, you might want to stay tuned. You could be a lucky winner. So stay tuned, subscribe, join the team, join the family. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Doing what I love, going day to day, but I know it takes time and I'm patiently waiting. Sometimes I contemplate, cause one day you feel so close and the next is out of sight. But I know I gotta hold on tight to go back to just going out every night. Like if I'm about to let it go now, I can live alright, live a normal life, doing 9 to 5. But I know I'm more than that. I gained this skill, wasn't born with that. At the end of the life, it's a memory.